Look at that, the elevator. And here's the elevator in question. Looks like it got a mod. As for who did the mod, I'm not sure, but I guess we're gonna see. Like you can see, there's another floor right there. What the hell's going on in one of those apartments? What is this? What the? Huh. Ooh, original cab. Oh, it was a Rosenberg. That's cool. What the hell? What on earth? Huh? This is a bit of a strange way of modding this elevator. What the hell? Somebody here likes Pantera. Oh, this is just strange. We're gonna go to the ground floor. Or no, we're gonna go to the one floor. I think that's, yeah, it's the little star next to it. Well, what used to be a star. What is this? I don't even know. It's got the Maori style indicator. So weird. This is just strange. This is a very weird mod. Entertaining, though. All right. And we'll take a look at this awesome building. First off, look at this old exit sign. Old coded Edwards Pole Station, but look at that. Cool. Anyway, that's it.